From one cell to birth, the journey of life. Deep inside the human body, an incredible journey begins. A microscopic cell swims through a maze of obstacles to meet the egg. This meeting sparks the creation of life itself. Today, we'll follow the sperm's journey, the moment of fertilization, and the breathtaking stages of human development, from a single cell to the miracle of birth. It all begins with ejaculation, when millions of sperm are released into the vagina. But it's not a simple race, it's a brutal survival challenge. The vaginal environment is acidic, killing most sperm within minutes. The survivors swim through the cervix and into the uterus, where muscular contractions help move them along. Only a few thousand reach the fallopian tubes, and from them, just a handful approach the egg. It's survival of the fittest at the cellular level. Meanwhile, the egg, released during ovulation, waits inside the fallopian tube. It's protected by outer layers and a shell called the zona pellucida. Sperm release enzymes from a cap called the acrosome to break through. The first sperm to penetrate the egg's defenses fuses with its membrane. This triggers a reaction that blocks all other sperm. The fusion creates a zygote, a fertilized egg, the very first cell of a new human life. Immediately after fertilization, the zygote begins to divide, first into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on. It becomes a solid ball of cells called a morolla. As it travels toward the uterus, the morolla transforms into a blastocyst, a hollow ball of cells ready for implantation. Around day 5, it reaches the uterine wall and embeds itself into the lining. This is when pregnancy officially begins. From week 3 to week 8, the developing baby is called an embryo. This stage is all about building the body's basic structures. The neural tube forms, which will become the brain and spinal cord. The heart starts beating around week 4. Tiny limb buds appear, the beginnings of arms and legs. By the end of week 8, the major organs are in place, and the embryo already resembles a tiny human. After 8 weeks, the embryo becomes a fetus. In the first trimester, the fetus forms fingers, toes, and facial features. By week 12, it can even make small movements. In the second trimester, growth accelerates. The fetus begins to hear sounds, grow hair, and develop reflexes. The mother starts to feel gentle kicks. By week 24, the fetus is viable. It has a chance of survival outside the womb with medical support. The third trimester is focused on preparing for birth, lungs mature, the brain develops rapidly, and body fat increases. At around 38 to 40 weeks, the baby is ready for life outside the womb. Labor begins when the uterus starts to contract. The cervix gradually opens, and the baby is pushed downward into the birth canal. After hours of effort, a new human being is born. It takes its first breath and begins its life in the outside world. From a single cell to a fully formed baby, the journey of human development is nothing short of a miracle. If this story amazed you, subscribe to Think Science for more captivating discoveries about the human body and the wonders of biology. Because science is not just facts, it's the story of who we are.